Hey guys, my name is Steff and welcome to my beauty stash. Okay guys, so I am so excited because my Jeffree Star Cosmetics package just arrived a couple hours ago. Oh my goodness. I love watching his videos. He's so talented. He's hilarious, and it just brightens my day. But I enjoy his cosmetics just as much. So I picked up the new Jawbreaker bundle set, and I picked up a couple new liquid lipsticks that he has. These are the palettes. Wow, these are so cute, so fun for the summer. I have the Mini Breaker palette right here, and I have the Jawbreaker palette right here. Great packaging. Oh, guys, I am so excited. Let's look at the mini one first. Let me show you the colors. Look at that. Wow, look at those shimmers. The mattes in there. Beautiful. You have a mirror right here. It's lightweight. This is going to be just easy. This one is the one you're going to keep in your purse. This is the one you're going to travel with and keep in your bag. Just amazing. It does say it has a 12-month shelf life to it. It is cruelty free. Yeah, I cannot wait. So the bundle that I picked up did retail for $75. For $75, you do get both palettes. So now the big one. Let's see what she's gonna look like. Oh my goodness, look at this. He said this is his largest palette ever that he has made. Wow, look at that. Made in the USA too, so I love that. Whoa, guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these colors. I love colorful eyeshadows, guys. This is like my dream come true right here. Look at all of these beautiful colors. I loved how they have his logo stamp there in the middle. He always pays attention to all the detail. Just amazing. And of course you get a big mirror over here on this side. This is beautiful, guys. I cannot wait to play around with these. These are the new liquid lipsticks that I picked up. These do retail for $18 each. This one is fully nude. I love the packaging, the lime green. So you can tell I have green on my nails. This is his liquid lipstick. This is a great nude color. Pinky nude. Oh, I'm going to probably wear this every day. Wow, look at that. The other one I got was a little bit brighter, and this one is called Yes Ma'am. And I wanted to pick up something fun, something to wear if I don't really have a lot of eye makeup going on and I just want to pop a bright lip. I thought this would be great for that. Doe foot applicator. Doesn't smell like anything, just smells like lipstick or whatever, makeup. This pink is everything. Look at that. Wow. I only have one of his liquid lipsticks and I do like it. So I know I'm going to be pleased with both of these. So I cannot wait to wear them, both of them, and to wear all the eyeshadows. Oh my goodness, I don't even know where I'm going to start. But today we're going to be creating a look. So we're going to be creating a look with the big guy right here, with Mr. Jawbreaker. I don't know what kind of a look we're going to create yet, but you know, we're going to have fun. Maybe we'll break into this one a little bit. We'll see. But yeah, if you want to see how I'm going to use my new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette, keep on watching. So I've already primed my eyelids and I used a new eyeshadow primer. This is from the brand Revolution Pro, and this is the Eye Elements Core Eye Primer. I picked it up online at Ulta and it does retail for $8. You get 0.11 ounces. Let me show you what the inside looks like. It's just a neutral color. It kind of reminds me of the MAC paint pot. So I already have that on my eyelids. I'm gonna go in with Virgin right here, which is kind of like an off-white color. I don't think it's pure white. It does have like a cream tint to it. So I'm gonna pack that all over my lid. The next color I'm gonna go into is going to be the color Sour. This green color right here. I'm gonna pack that all over my eyelid. There is no fallout. Drop you a line, say hello, but I already know how it'll go. Small talk, but it's a big deal to me. I get in my feelings too fast, then I'm hurting. So far, I like everything. I think it blended out really nicely. It packed on really well. It has very good pigmentation. I like it. Next, I'm going to take Cute, and I'm gonna start working that in my crease. What do you think? So far, so good. I don't have any fallout. I'm gonna go in with Gumdrop right here, and I'm gonna kind of work that on my brow bone area. And I'm dragging that out a little bit. Just a real light hand with this shade, just because if you don't, I don't want it too intense up here. Very happy with everything. It's as I expected. You know, I have other Jeffree Star palettes and they perform so well. Blood Sugar was my very first palette that I purchased from him, and I was so happy with that. So I knew that this was going to be just as good, if not better. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a shimmer shade, and I think I'm going to go in with, I'm gonna take Snack right here, and I'm gonna start applying that in the middle of my eyelid. Let me try not wetting my brush. Let me see what happens. Good amount there. Wow. Wow, that's not even, I didn't even have to wet the brush. That's amazing. I'm gonna take that up just a little bit, like that. See, it kind of went into the crease a little bit. Just a little bit. We don't wanna get that crease full of shimmer. It's not gonna do us any justice. Drop you a line, say hello, but I already know how it'll go. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back and re-intensify the green. Use a smaller brush. Going back in with Sour. Hey, what are we thinking so far? I like everything. Very nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the color Jawbreaker right here, which is a white, creamy, shimmery shade. The camera doesn't do it justice. The lights drown it out. And I'm gonna take some of that with my little brush, and I'm gonna work that into my inner corner.
spiral when I couldn't get enough. So I moved on because I had to sober.
We're gonna go in with Bite Me, which is this purple shimmery shade. Taking that on a little pencil brush. I'm going to take a little bit of Bite Me and I'm going to work that in the outer corner of my upper eyelid right here. I'm just going to place a little bit there. Actually, let me use a different brush. I'm going to go in with this little packing brush that I used for green. Make it Bite Me.
It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love, and even though you broke it off, I struggle with it like you were a bottle of pills. I wish I could give in to my dependency, but
so I kind of create like a little wing there with that shade. I'm gonna go back in with Gumdrop, which was that lavender shade. Alright, so now that I have both eyes done and looking at everything, I'm very pleased with the way everything looked. I did get a little bit of fallout, and I mean a little bit, and it wiped away really quick. I think it was from the Bite Me shade when I was just kind of trying to smoke it down out here. But yeah, guys, I really like the look I created. Oh my goodness, I'm proud of my work here. Again, I don't plan my looks. I never go in saying, oh, I'm gonna do this color or that color, or you know, matte or shimmer, whatever, glitter. I just go by what the palette looks like. I'm gonna go in again with Jawbreaker right here and work that into my lower lash line some more, but I am gonna wet it. I have my NYX I have my NYX Dewy setting spray here. Yeah, I'm just gonna loosen my brush. I kind of work it down here on the bottom. Alright, so I think this is it for the eyeshadow part. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back in with Cute right here, and I'm going to work that a little bit into the crease, because I have not gone back in with that color yet since I applied it. And I just want it to kind of, I'm going to do it on this side. A little bit there in the inner portion of the lid. Alright, so let me go ahead and do some eyeliner, mascara, and I'll come back on camera and give you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my mascara, my eyeliner. I even did some eyeliner in my waterline, and I'll leave the products that I used for that down below. But I am really impressed with, you know, the way the eyeshadows worked. I mean, they were as I expected. You know, they're Jeffree Star products. He's not going to make something that's not good. You know that if he's going to put his name on something, it's going to be the best quality that it can be, and it shows. It is. Everything, I just love the way everything blended together. The shimmers, I mean, you don't even need to wet these shimmers. That's amazing to me, because I always end up wetting all of my shimmer shades, you know, so I really like the way the look came out. Now we have one more thing, is we have the two liquid lipsticks, and I'm gonna go in, I'm probably just gonna do fully nude. I don't know if a bright, the hot pink one that I got, the Yes Ma'am one, would really go with this look, so I'm gonna just keep it nude, and let's go ahead and put some of that on.
Drop you a line, say hello, but I already know how it'll go. Small talk, but it's a big deal to me. I get in my feelings too fast, then I'm hurting when you don't write me back. I wish I could give in to my dependency, but I move on because I know it's bad for me. Seeing you means
What do you think? I like the color. I'm not gonna blot my lips together just yet. I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit. Okay. We're still a little bit, not completely dry yet. But I love everything. Let me go ahead and spray some Dewy Mist NYX Dewy Finish. I'm excited, I'm happy, I love the way everything came out. So my Jeffree Star products, the Jawbreaker palette, mini Jawbreaker palette, and the two liquid lipsticks get a huge thumbs up from me. Guys, if you have never tried his products, please try one of his eyeshadow palettes and then try one of his liquid lipsticks. You're not going to be disappointed with the quality of product that you're getting here. It's going to work. They're going to blend. These are really high pigmented, high quality eyeshadows, and you cannot go wrong with any one of his eyeshadow palettes. If you don't know where to start, he does have about maybe 6 different palettes right now. If you're not, the color kind of scares you, I would look into Blood Sugar. And while that is a very red toned palette, there are some really good neutrals in there, and you can be surprised at the looks that you can create. I would also look into Thirsty. Thirsty was the one that came out last year, kind of around the same time. It was his summer collection last year. Thank you all so much for the support that you have shown to me. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you over here. So click the subscribe button and make sure you ring the bell so that you're notified of all my future uploads. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is that you all are at. Drink your water, guys. Stay hydrated. It's summertime. Hey, I got my big jug right here. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.